guys, so I have picked up my food for the next 2 weeks, and I'm just gonna go over what I'm gonna have. So this week for lunch, I am gonna have tuna packets. These, I love these, and I'm gonna have wheat thin crackers with those, and I'm also gonna chop up some fruit, and I'm also gonna chop up some cucumbers and some tomatoes and toss it in like vinaigrette sauce, and I'll have that for lunch. And then for dinner, I'm gonna have chicken wings, and I'm gonna be tossing those. I'm gonna put them in the air fryer, and I'm gonna toss them in this sweet chili sauce here. And then I'm going to make some delicious stir fry. And then over the weekend for lunch, I'm going to have some cauliflower with a turkey burger. I got these wheat buns for the turkey burgers, and I have some cheese for the turkey burgers. And then also I'll have a lean cuisine meal for dinner. For a good snack this week, I got these Skinny Cow. And so I'm also, the following week after that, I'm going to have salmon and brown rice and asparagus, of course. And then for lunch, we're going to have a chicken wrap with the seasoned chicken here. And I got some lettuce back there. And I'm going to chop up some tomatoes to put in there and a little bit of shredded cheese. And then also I got this cream cheese spread here. And I'm going to have it for breakfast on a thin bagel. And yeah, y'all, so that's basically everything that I got this week for grocery. And I'm gonna put all this away. I don't know if I specified, but these are the restaurant style popcorn cauliflower. I'm gonna have these with my turkey burger. I already had these at the house, but these are the veggie grillers. And another good thing that I love, I had these already at the house, is the veggie chicken nuggets. And for my chicken wraps, I'm going to be using this Extreme Wellness spinach wraps. I love these. They're so good.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse than you.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another vlog. So I'm gonna get this started off with this Shein haul. It's just a bunch of random things that I bought that I needed, mainly for my kitchen. But yeah, let's get it. So the first thing I got is like this trash bag holder. I don't know if y'all like me, but like when I take my trash bags out of the box that it came in, I kind of just lay the bags out. So this thing is really cool because you get to place the bags within here and just like pull them out. So it's way more pleasing to the eye. And I'm gonna just place this underneath my cabinet, probably like on my cabinet door. But let me show you. So you just, that slides out, you can put your trash bags in there, and then the trash bags will just come out. Also, I got this. So this is also again for my kitchen. So basically I wanted some area to put my towels on, so you just hang this on the door, and I can just hang my towels here to dry instead of like keeping them in my sink. So yeah. Okay, so also I needed a larger carry-on, well, travel size bag, a clear little baggie. And I like this one because instead of it being like just a zip around, it's like this, so you can put more stuff in there. See what I'm saying? Yeah, I like this. So I'm gonna transfer a lot of my stuff over into here. Well, all my stuff for like my overnight stay, like maybe just like one night, like if I go stay at my homegirl house or something, I can just have this to put all my things in. So I got that. Y'all know when I be cooking, I don't like getting my nails dirty. So I bought some plastic gloves, and they have this little thing here, plastic gloves. I just needed it for when I'm seasoning my food. I hate getting all that stuff from underneath my nails. It's the worst. And then I got these 2 strips right here to put on the side of my stove so that food can stop like falling in that area. Oh, and then this is really good because I'm about to have to do my hair soon. So, and I deal with like a dry scalp. Oh, this is so soft. Every time I ever saw one of these, I always thought they was gonna be really hard. My stylist uses one of these, but hers has like a electric massager in there, so like massages my scalp. But I'll have this for at home. The bristles are so soft, y'all. They are so soft, and you know, it just looks like that on the back. I'm so excited about this. So this is a salad spinner, but you can put any type of like fruits and veggies in here and like pour the water in there and then spin this. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. Y'all may have seen this already, but like I'm just now getting hip to it. And I think on Shein this is like $6. So I think they were a little bit more expensive on Amazon, but I'm so excited about this, y'all, because anytime I do clean my fruits and veggies, I have to like shake it out. But anyway, so you put the vegetables will go in there, and that's the top, and then this is the top of that, and then you will just spin it. You know, so you'll just spin your vegetables dry and then pour the water out of this little spot here. I am so excited to use this. I'm gonna wash it up really good, of course, before I actually put anything in there, but I'm really excited to have it. But had to get this. Yeah, so today's Wednesday. It's a little bit after 5. All I did today, y'all, was work from home. I had a dentist appointment. I went to the dentist, and now I'm about to put this stuff up, do a workout, take a shower, go to bed. I'm actually washing some of my bedding right now. I have, for the next of the week, it'll be Thursday, Friday, Saturday, I work both of my jobs, so it's gonna be some pretty busy days. I'm gonna try to vlog a little bit of things that I do, but I will check in with y'all later. I just got through getting a wax. I didn't show you guys that because I showed y'all that like on a recent vlog, so I just decided not to record again. We have a hair appointment tomorrow. I'm gonna go home and do my nails. I may show y'all that, and then I may not, because I'll also include that in another vlog as well. And I also have a massage scheduled for Friday. I feel so much better talking to y'all because I got that off my face. VJ does my hair. Gigi does my waxes, and oh my goodness, y'all, I have noticed a change in the growth, and my hair grows back, and the texture of it. It's never been extremely thick, but it will get visible. But so after like 2 weeks, I'll be good. So I love coming here. She makes me feel so comfortable. But yeah, I will check in with you guys later, probably when I got my nails done. Let's go.
You a little post-so baby, you a little 48 baby, got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a, you already know. Dirtied up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably courtside. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just touched the city with the G block stainers, and we got adopted by some fit for strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you jealous, outside of the club, so you know just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does.
They turned out so cute. I love them. These are so cute. I like the fact that she blow dries them out and then they turn out like this. So cute.